My name is David, Mr. David. I'm a teacher. I teach mathematics and chemistry. So I'm not an online scammer, or I'm not an online scammer like some think. So my channel is Online Solution TV. I'm the one who teaches. I am the owner of Online Solution TV. So I'm a teacher. I'm not a scammer. I'm not a con there. So these resources you are seeing here, these resources, check on these resources. They will be very helpful. So we have all of these essays, Ngusa Jadi, Kiswahili, all of those resources that will help you academically are available. These resources you are seeing up there, scrolling down, these are the resources that we have. So they are helpful. You can get
essays like the one above. Contact 072-5. Discuss the relevance of the title Fathers of Nations by Paul B. Vida. The title Fathers of Nations in Paul B. Vida's novel carries a layer of irony, prompting the reader to question the very nature of leadership within the context of the Gambian Summit. On the surface, the title evokes images of benevolent leaders who guide their nations towards prosperity and stability, akin to fathers nurturing their children. However, the events within the 14 provided chapters reveal a far more complex and potentially critical reality. The irony lies in the potential disconnect between the idealized image of fathers of nations and the actions of the characters at the summit. We see Dr. Afolabi, who is officially supposed to represent the established path, harboring a belief in the alternative. This internal conflict suggests a potential for self-interest or career advancement influencing his official position. Similarly, the unwavering support for Path Alpha by its proponents, like Mr. Longway, could be driven by a desire to see their specific ideas implemented. Furthermore, the narrative hints at a struggle for power and influence within the summit. The concept of the trick employed to introduce Path Alpha suggests a lack of transparency and a potential manipulation of the system. This strategy prioritizes personal agendas over open and honest discussion about the best course of action for the nations involved. Such tactics employed by the fathers move away from the nurturing and collaborative image associated with the title. The summit's chaotic ending further reinforces the title's ironic undercurrent. A decision that will impact the future of entire nations is reduced to a coin toss. This highlights a lack of thoughtful and respectful leadership, qualities one would expect from true fathers. The reliance on chance suggests that the pursuit of personal agendas overshadowed the well-being of the nations represented at the summit. In conclusion, the title Fathers of Nations in Vida's work serves as a double-edged sword. While it evokes a sense of paternalistic leadership, the events within the summit reveal a potential for self-interest, manipulation, and a disregard for alternative viewpoints. This irony challenges the reader to question the true nature of leadership and the motivations behind those in power. The summit becomes a microcosm, exposing the potential flaws lurking beneath the idealized image of the father of a nation. We have 59 essays like the one above. Contact 072-646-8915 to get your copy. One essay is 10 shillings.